Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to download all your files at once from Google Drive. So for this, what you need to do is turn on a browser. For example, if you would like to go for the Google Chrome, then you have to click on the start option from here, then you have to search for the Chrome option from here. After that, you have to click on the Chrome option, and when you are here, you have to go to the Google Drive of your email. After that, if you would like to download all of the files that you have singly, if you want to download one of these files, then you have to just simply click on it, and you have to click on the three dot, and you have to simply click on the download. But if you are downloading one by one file, it will take much more time. Then what you can do is go to the Google and search for takeout.google.com. After that, when you are here, you have to scroll down and find out the drive option from here, and here we can see the drive option. You have to first undeselect all. After that, you have to go to the down, and you have to choose the drive file only. After that, you have to scroll to the at the bottom, very bottom, then you have to click on the next step. You have to choose the destination. Here you can choose the send download link via email. You can also add it to the drive or whatever you want. You can also choose the export once, or I would choose the export once frequency from here. You have to choose the file type. You can choose the zip file from here, and here you can choose the file size. That means if any files are exceeding this file size that you have chosen, it will give in another file. After that, you have to simply click on the create export, and then it will take a couple of seconds. And then if you choose the email option from here, a email will go to your email address. Then after that, you can simply click on it and download the zip file at a time. But it for your kind information, after you create export, it will take couple of seconds to get all the files in your email address. So thank you very much for watching this video.